Hello, konnichiwa, Kuniko desu. Let's fold wildflower origami. This video is for intermediate level who knows basic folding patterns. Start out with the color side up and fold it to half, which is a white rectangle, and then fold that half in half. Now that is a quarter, 1/4 of the original size. Go back to the half rectangle and the opening side is on the bottom. And then from the right top corner, you fold to the vertical center crease. Flip and do the same process. We are going to make square base, or you might say preliminary base. On the bottom, opening side is on the bottom, open squash and make it into diamond square. Let's look inside. Just like that. Look at the vertical center crease and you fold diagonally from the top right side. And you do the opposite side. Keep it folded. Pick it up and flip. Do the same on this side as well. From here, you open that diagonal folds that's shaped like a kite. And after you unfold it, look at just the one half side and open squash. And then you turn that flap to the right and then look at the another flap, which is a right triangle, open squash. Now you got two flaps done like that. Let's go back to the other side. There are two more flaps. So you open it and from the bottom, open it and squash it to the shape like this. That has a color on the bottom. And then top is a white side. Turn that flap to go to the opposite side. From the bottom, open and squash. From here, let's look around the flaps. If you turn each flap, it appears different look. There are two looks. One side is like a very white, all white here. And then another one is like white side on the top and the bottom side is a color. And then let's keep it that way. From the top of the white triangle, fold to the bottom center of that white triangle. And then make a sharp crease, press hard because there are so many layers. And then unfold and flip it over to the back side. Back side, you do the same. Fold the top to the bottom center of the white triangle. Good. And now open all the way back to the square. It looks like a nice sun shining out. Inside, there's I think it's an octagon. In an octagon, 9 creasing line, you are going to make it to mountain fold, sticking towards you, almost like you are pinching the sides, each size, one at a time. We are going to collapse the inner octagon. That's why you need this mountain fold. Now let's collapse by just pushing. First, push the center a little bit, very middle of the octagon, and then from the outer edges, you push towards the center. And it really helps the if you pinch the outer creasings, and then gradually the pinching each vertices into V shape from the top view, making like a star shape. It's getting there. This is the last one. I'm gonna make a V shape. One more V shape. After all is collapsed to the center, make it flat like this. And then you will see 4 sides on each. Oops, I almost made a wrong fold. I have to turn the page to this side, all white. Then fold to the vertical center. And please pick up only one layer. I think accidentally I had 2 layers folded. After that, you turn the flap like a book page and then do the same on the all white side. Fold to the vertical center and do the same to the opposite side. Again, just only one flap. When you turn it over, you have to turn the flap to come to this white pentagon side and repeat. I believe this is my 3rd time, so I have one more to go. I turn that flap and then turn the next flap. This is the last one. I thought, oh, maybe not. I fold to the center vertical crease and opposite side. I said I have one more because I can see this shape needed to be folded. Now they were all the same shape. All the 4 flaps on the right side, left side, they are the same shape. I press with my pencil, make hard press. Then you open 2 petals and another 2 petals. Oh, look at that. I have to admit, this part was not easy. I had to be patient every time when I open it, it just goes back. I have to keep doing it. Open the couple opposite side and then move to the another couple. As I do it, the flower shapes up like this. Like I said, you have to keep doing it. Maybe it's just my paper doing it like this. Finally, I curl each petal with my pencil, or you can use anything. I saw some people using chopsticks. After you curled 4 petals, it should hold the flower shape. If it doesn't, make it upside down and press a little bit. Here it is, origami wildflower. Keep folding.